Okay, let's get right into this one. The Wares Ferry Road Bridge construction update. It's only been a few days since I was over there, but it looks like they have got a lot accomplished. They've got the paving done. Looks like they're working on some of the roadside construction part. And it won't be long now. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button as well. It really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching.